Every website out there needs a privacy policy. Is that even a true statement? Well, it actually is if you're collecting any information, like on a contact form, or maybe you're just tracking Google Analytics. Either way, it's better protection for you if you actually have a privacy policy. So what's a great resource out there for you to use? Should you be using ChatGPT to write your privacy policy? Well, even directly from ChatGPT, they state they're not a legal entity and they shouldn't be offering legal advice. If you want a low-cost solution that actually provides more protection, I'm going to suggest Termageddon. It is a plugin that just drops into your website, and they will even help you answer all the questions that write all of the correct statements for privacy policy, terms of use, returns policy, anything like that. And it's all based on your specific business or website. Please don't play guessing games with cookie policies or anything like that. Just get the answers quickly. In less than 5 minutes, you can be in full compliance. So Termageddon is actually the solution I use on my websites. And they even helped me go into their program and answer all the questions quickly. So take a moment, check them out, and see if they're the right solution for you. I'll see y'all next WordPress Wednesday. Bye, everyone.